In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report in QuickBooks Online. Custom reports help you pull exactly the information you need without wading through pages of data you don't. Whether you're tracking invoices, keeping an eye on expenses, or reviewing transactions for a specific project, the process is straightforward and quick once you know where to go. Start by heading to the Reports area from the left panel. This is your central hub for both standard and customized reports. Along the top, switch to the Custom Reports tab. This tab is where new reports are created and where all of your saved custom reports will live, so it's a good place to remember. Next, look to the top right and click Create New Report. Before you see a layout, QuickBooks will ask what type of report you want to build. This simply tells the system which data set to start from. You can choose from options like invoices, expenses, sales, bills, journal entries, banking transactions, a transaction list, or you can start with a blank report. Picking a type can speed things up if you already know the area you care about. For this demonstration, I'll start with blank, so we have full control over what appears. Now it's time to customize. Click Columns in the top right toolbar. This is where you decide what information shows up on your report. Think of columns as the fields you want to see side by side. Things like date, customer or vendor, account, amount, memo, payment method, and more. Select only what's meaningful for your goal to keep the report clear and easy to read. If your screen offers options to reorder columns, place the most important details, like date and amount, toward the left so they're front and center. As you make selections, you'll see the report take shape in real time, which makes it easy to fine-tune. Once you're happy with what you see, head to the top right and click Save. Give your report a clear, descriptive name so you can find it instantly later. After saving, it will appear under the Custom Reports tab we visited earlier. From there, you can open it anytime, make adjustments if your needs change, and keep using the same structure without rebuilding it from scratch. And that's it. You navigated to Reports, opened the Custom Reports tab, created a new report, chose your starting point, customized the columns, and saved your work. With these steps, you can build focused, reusable reports that highlight exactly what matters to you in QuickBooks Online.